Oh my god, we've got a star moving across the sky. Look at that, above my house now. Oh, that is incredible. There's my house. I just had to rush up to get my phone. Yeah, look at it moving. That star is moving across the sky. That's not a plane. That is an actual star moving. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Yep. Look. That's no plane. The date is I think it's the 20th. It's about 20 minutes to 12 midnight. We have a star. Let's see if we move around. There we go. That is an actual star moving, I swear it. You can see it moving across the sky. I'm not making this up. That's right across my house. I just came out. There's no sound of a plane or anything. That's a physical star moving. Oh my goodness. That is fascinating. And people don't believe that I am who I say I am. I am Elijah the prophet of Malachi chapter 4 verse 5, and the messenger of the covenant of Malachi chapter 3. The street lamps are on, so it is a bit difficult to see. Yeah, that is 100% a star moving across the sky. I've never seen anything like that. I saw it when I came out. Let's see if we move around a bit. There we go. There's no sound of a plane. There's a strange sound in the south. I can hear a strange sound. That's travelling across the sky. That's not a satellite. That is an actual star. Yeah, we're faded out now. I think I'll leave it there anyway. Interesting. Okay, bye for now. Hello, the date is the 20th of May 2020, and I've just come outside after taking the previous video of the star moving across the sky, and I mentioned that there was a sound coming from the south, which you can hear now. That star was definitely not a plane. That was a star moving across the sky. But that's the North Icombe congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses there. And there's a definite noise coming from the south. It does sound like a plane on the runway. It's been doing that for probably about a couple of months now in the south. It's a little bit difficult to hear, but that previous video was definitely a star moving across the sky. It was very bright to the naked eye, and it wasn't a satellite. I know it wasn't. That was definitely a star, some kind of star moving across my house to prove who I am, Elijah the prophet of Malachi chapter 4 verse 5, and the messenger of the covenant of Malachi chapter 3. But I just thought I'd make this video of the sound coming from the south. No, it sounds like I don't know, motorbike or something, but really weird. Hear it now. But I just wanted to do this video to show that the star was not a plane that you could hear. You can hear this noise in the background, but it's not actually a plane, because the noise is still here and the star's gone now. Anyway, I think I'll leave it there for now and put this video on YouTube. Bye for now.